Did you know that the average American consumes about 22 teaspoons of added sugar per day? That's more than 3 times the recommended amount. As we know, there are 2 main types of sugar we are consuming: naturally occurring sugar and added sugar. Naturally occurring sugar is found in foods like fruits and milk, while added sugar is added to processed and prepared foods and beverages. Added sugar can be found in a wide variety of foods, including soda, candy, pastries, and even bread. And it is addictive too. Even research shows that cutting back on sugar increases your desire for the sweet stuff even more. So, what exactly happens to your body and brain when you try to quit sugar? That is exactly what we want to show you in this video. So watch the full video and learn how to kick the sugar habit and start living a healthier life. And if you want to get more videos on your health, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Number 1. Water weight loss begins after 24 hours without refined sugar. You can lose water weight in just 24 hours without refined sugar. That's because refined sugar causes your body to retain water. When you eat refined sugar, your body releases insulin, which tells your cells to take in sugar. This can lead to water retention as the cells hold on to water to help dissolve the sugar. But when you stop eating refined sugar, your body stops producing as much insulin. This means that your cells don't take in as much sugar, and the water that was being held in your cells is released. As a result, you can lose up to 5 pounds of water weight in just 24 hours. The pancreas is a small organ that plays a key role in regulating blood sugar levels. It produces 2 hormones, insulin and glucagon, which work together to keep blood sugar levels in a healthy range. Insulin is released when blood sugar levels are too high. It helps the body's cells take in sugar, which lowers blood sugar levels. Glucagon is released when blood sugar levels are too low. It helps the body cells release sugar, which raises blood sugar levels. So, after around 24 hours without sugar, your blood sugar drops, and your pancreas secretes glucagon, which breaks down glycogen, your body's sugar storage, to provide energy, which will result in an initial reduction in water weight. However, 3 grams of sugar are bonded to every gram of glycogen. Number 2. The Sugar Hangover. Day 2 of a sugar detox can be tough. Your body is still adjusting to the lack of sugar, and you may be feeling tired, headachy, and craving sweets. This is because your body is used to getting its energy from sugar, and it's not sure what to do without it. In the absence of sugar, your body will start to break down proteins and fats for energy. This process can cause fatigue and headaches. It can also lead to sugar cravings as your body is looking for a quick source of energy. There is research that suggests that sugar can be addictive in a similar way to cocaine. When you eat sugar, it releases dopamine in your brain, which is a neurotransmitter that is associated with pleasure. This can lead to cravings for sugar, as your brain is seeking out the pleasurable feeling that it gets from eating sugar. However, it's important to note that the addictive potential of sugar in humans is still being debated. Some studies have found that sugar can be addictive, while others have not. If you're experiencing sugar cravings on day 2 of your detox, there are a few things you can do to help manage them. First, try to stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water can help flush out the toxins that are causing your cravings. You can also try eating healthy snacks that are high in protein or fiber. I added a few food lists at the end of the video that can help you fight sugar cravings. These foods will help you keep feeling full and satisfied. Number 3. The metallic aftertaste and bad breath. On day 3 of a sugar detox, you may start to notice some unpleasant side effects. One of the most common is a metallic aftertaste in your mouth. This is caused by the breakdown of fats into ketones, which are byproducts of fat metabolism. Ketones can give your breath a fruity or acetone-like odor. In some cases, the bad breath associated with sugar detox can be quite strong. It has been compared to the smell of nail polish remover or rotten fruit. If you're experiencing this, don't worry, it's perfectly normal. The bad breath is a sign that your body is transitioning to fat for energy instead of sugar. The bad breath associated with sugar detox usually goes away after a few days. However, in some cases, it can last for a week or more. If you're concerned about bad breath, you can try drinking plenty of water and brushing your teeth more often. You can also try chewing sugar-free gum or sucking on sugar-free candy. It's important to remember that bad breath is not a sign of anything serious. It's just a side effect of your body adjusting to a new way of getting energy. If you're patient, the bad breath will eventually go away. Number 4. Your taste buds will recalibrate. As you embark on your sugar detox, you may be surprised to find that your taste buds start to change. Between days 5 and 10, you may notice that you're more sensitive to the taste of sugar. This is because your taste buds have been recalibrated. When you eat a lot of sugar, your taste buds become desensitized to it. This means that you need more and more sugar to achieve the same level of sweetness. However, when you reduce your sugar intake, your taste buds start to reset. This means that you'll be able to taste the sweetness of foods and drinks more acutely. In one study, participants went on a water fast for 5 to 14 days found that their sensitivity to the taste of sugar increased. This suggests that even a short period of time without sugar can have significant impact on your taste buds. So, if you're feeling deprived on your sugar detox, don't worry. Just give it a few days and your taste buds will start to adjust. Number 5. A sugar-free diet can improve your bowel health. If you're one of the millions of people who suffer from irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, you know that it can be a real pain in the gut. Constipation, diarrhea, stomach cramps, and bloating are just a few of the symptoms that can make life miserable. Here, you need a sugar-free diet. It can help improve your bowel health and reduce the symptoms of IBS. Sugar is a common trigger for IBS symptoms. When you eat sugar, it can ferment in your gut, leading to gas, bloating, and diarrhea. Sugar can also irritate the lining of your gut, which can lead to pain and cramping. Number 6. Sugar-free diet for clearer skin. Did you know that sugar can have a negative impact on your skin? Excessive sugar consumption can lead to acne breakouts in as little as a week. But you can improve your skin's health by following a sugar-free diet. In fact, clinical studies have shown that acne lesions can decrease dramatically after 10 weeks of following a low-sugar diet. So, if you're looking for a natural way to clear up your skin, cutting back on sugar is a great place to start. Number 7. Sleep better. Interestingly, cutting out sugar can help you sleep better. In fact, a study of 53,000 postmenopausal women found that those who reduced their sugar intake for 3 years had improved sleep quality. The study's authors believe that sugar may disrupt sleep by causing spikes in blood sugar levels. These spikes can lead to difficulty falling and staying asleep. Additionally, sugar can interfere with the production of melatonin, a hormone that helps regulate sleep. Of course, there is some debate whether or not sugar has a negative impact on sleep quality on a daily basis. Some research has even shown that eating a lot of sugar right before bed can help you sleep better. However, these studies are often small and have methodological flaws. Finally, sugar is like a slow poison. It's not just about getting fat. Too much sugar can lead to a host of serious health problems, including hypertension, cardiovascular disease, type 2 diabetes, and obesity. But here's the good news. Cutting out added sugar can help you lower your risk of developing these diseases. In fact, studies have shown that people who cut out added sugar for 1 to 5 years saw a significant decrease in their risk of developing these health problems. The American Health Association recommends that women get no more than 25 grams of added sugar per day, and men get no more than 38 grams per day. But the average American consumes over 71 grams of added sugar per day. That's a lot of sugar, and it's not going to do our bodies any favors. So what can you do to cut down your sugar intake? Here are a few tips. Read food labels carefully. Added sugar is often hidden in foods, so it's important to read food labels carefully. Look for foods that contain added sugars such as sucrose, fructose, glucose, and corn syrup. Avoid processed foods. Processed foods are often high in sugar. Instead, focus on eating whole, unprocessed foods. Eat plenty of fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables are naturally low in sugar and high in nutrients that are good for your health. Also, for reducing sugar cravings, you can try chia seeds, dark chocolate, sugar-free chewing gum, or mints, or legumes. Drink water instead of sugary drinks. Soda, juice, and sports drinks are all high in sugar. Instead, drink water, unsweetened tea, or coffee. Making these simple changes can help you cut down on your sugar intake and improve your health. So what are you waiting for? Start cutting out sugar today. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button.